Hello everyone, this is Sam from SamuraiMini.com. I'm making a quick video of this 2009 Carry truck. This one's had a big lift up done to it and painted in matte black. It looks pretty snazzy. If the Rock had a K truck it would look like this, I think. Got some bigger wheels on it to fit this lift, and suspension lift as well with blocks underneath. You can see the blocks here on the rear axle. Snazzy monster sticker, another block there, extensions for the shocks, and it's got a block system at the front as well to give it a lift up. I think this lifted up about 4 inches, 100mm 4 inches. Looks like that to me there. But it's a pretty aggressive looking truck. It's quite cool. It's got this massive light bar on the front, on the top, sorry. That's excellent, that is. Very bright. Very bright. You see some of the paint's a little bit chipped where they've painted this black, but on the whole it's alright. People turn around and look at this truck, it's good. So this is a 4-wheel drive, 2 or 4-wheel drive. It's also automatic transmission, so pretty easy to drive. This drives a lot better than you would think. I thought this car would be really wobbly, unstable. It's not like that. It's actually quite good. The bigger wheels actually make it better on the highway because it makes the gearing longer. So this has done 65,000 kilometers, about 40,000 miles, somewhere like that. It's got 4-wheel drive. Press this button here. 4-wheel drive light comes on, so that's in 4-wheel drive now. It's got aircon. Doesn't have power steering, but it's not too heavy. Switch the light bar on there. Really bright, that is. Bright daylight at the moment, but still. Yeah, you can't really see because it's daylight. At night, it makes it like daylight. It's very good. So there we are. This truck runs nicely. It's been modified. This is a bit of fun. It's pretty good, probably off-road as well. Put some different tyres on. They're kind of street tyres now, but if you put some mud tyres on that, it'll do some good off-roading, I think, as well. This car is going to be coming over soon to the US, and if you're interested in something like this, you can't find these all the time, but it is possible to lift them. And if you would want to buy one of these for yourself, you want to be a distributor for us in the US, or you're just generally interested in more information about K trucks, mini trucks, have a look at our website SamuraiMini.com. check it out, and you'll be able to see a lot more information there. Thanks very much for watching.